Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unpacking two Kickstarter reward packages. Actually, I'm only sure that one is a Kickstarter reward. The other I assume is, but I'm not 100% sure. It just popped up in my mailbox today. First up is the one that I am sure about. Greg Anderson Elysée's IsNana Showtime, the latest volume in his creator-owned epic. I believe there should be a full comic here, plus a stretch goal trading card. Let's open her up and see. And indeed, here is the comic, IsNana Showtime. Featuring Greg Anderson Elysée again, the creator and the writer. Miguel Blanco, I believe, is the artist. Angel Davis Cooper, and World, and David Brame. And I believe this is a sticker. Yes, that is a sticker right there. And there is no trading card that I can see. Maybe I just misread that on the Kickstarter campaign. Let's double check inside the package here. Or maybe what I'm thinking is a sticker is actually the card. No, it's just a sticker. But it is a nice sticker, as you can see here. And just to flip through a little, coming the pages of the comic. Again, really beautiful art, nice, bold, and vibrant. Right away, I can tell this is a great looking book. I've been following along this series for quite a while. Greg is doing a really good job with it, really incorporating a lot of aspects of African folklore. Something that's really unheard of in this current comic book age, but it is something that is really necessary and needed. Again, as you can see, really nice, beautiful, bold, vibrant art all over. It's a really good looking book. Really going to be happy, really going to look forward to checking this out. So that is the first book to unpack. And this is the second one. It says here that it's from Aaron Kane of Image Now, but I think that's he's a printer. I believe that this is, like I said, I believe this is a Kickstarter reward. But I'm not sure. And I think I have an idea of who it is exactly. But, like I said, let's take a look and see. All right, finally got this open. Really good packing job. And this is what I expected it to be. It is from Konkret Comics. This is their Genesis Year 1. See here. It's they are an independent publisher as well. with their books. They have Akolyte, Odina, and I forget what the third book is called. But this is a Kickstarter reward again. Kind of a reprinting all of their first issues. You can take a look here. This is actually a little poster print. Another little poster print. I'm gonna take some B-roll to get a good view of all of these. So actually, all of these are just in this package here are just poster prints, which is kind of what I expected. I didn't think that there was another comic included. Step into the Konkret universe. Absolver, that is the third book that I could not remember earlier. Like I said, Akolyte as well, Odina, and then the second issues as well of all of their books are available. Now let's take a flip through the actual comic. Again, it's Genesis. This is year 1. This is kind of, like I said, this is reprinting the first issues of all of their books. Akolyte is created by Derek Alonzo Star Allen, Odina by Onaji Rouse, and Absolver by Jermael Lessey. Here's a good look at Akolyte. Again, just taking a quick flip through some of these pages here. This is, I believe this is Odina. I've actually already read this first issue from their first Kickstarter. And this is, I believe, the Absolver story. So again, really nice looking comic book as well. Thank you again for joining me for this unpackaging of IsNana Showtime and Konkret Comics Genesis Year 1. This is William Satterwhite, and if you enjoyed this video and want to give some support, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.